welcome to Billy Moy the Science Boy Show. I'm your host, Billy Moy, the Science Boy. Today we're going to learn about polymers, also known as plastics. Billy Moy the Science Boy.
Bill the Science Guy! Bill the Science Guy! Science rules! Bill the Science Guy! Inertia is the property of matter! Bill the Science Guy! Bill! T-minus 7 seconds! Bill the Science Guy!
Plastics are composed of carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and sulfur. But we can't forget about poor old chlorine. It's doing its damn best. Produced by the synthesis from primary chemicals, generally coming from crude oil, natural gas, or coal. Most plastics are based on the carbon atom. Carbon atoms can link to other atoms with up to 4 chemical bonds. That's a lot of bonds if you ask me. When the atoms connect into long chains, they're called thermoplastics, and thermoplastics are categorized for being meltable. Examples of thermoplastics are EP, PF, PUR, and PTFEs. When the connection of carbon atoms forms 2- and 3-dimensional change, the polymer is called thermosets. Thermosets are not meltable, sadly. Or is it really sad? Examples of thermosets are ABS, PC, PE, and PET. Most plastic comes from crude oil. Crude oil is what the dinosaurs left behind when they all died. Crude oil is refined into a nice thin oil, where it is then turned into plastic. Plastics have pros and cons, like most things in life. We use plastics almost every day for lots of our daily needs and wants. As a human species, we need to cut down our consumption of plastic. The cons by far outweigh the pros. Plastics take over 1,000 years to dissolve, and once they do dissolve, they turn into microplastics, infecting our water, food, and land. If we do not cut our consumption of plastic down as a species, soon we will end many other species and possibly ourselves. Some of the ways we use plastics include bags, takeout containers, bottles, straws, and many more. But it's not all bad. We are finding new ways to reuse and reduce our usage of plastic every day. We're recycling plastics into cool new things like these. And these. Thanks for watching another episode of Billy Moy the Science Boy. I'm your host, Billy. I'm your host, Billy Moy, the Science Boy.